unlocking the power of everyday ingredients for better health. Today's topic is all about discovering simple ingredients right in your kitchen that can boost your metabolism, help you lose weight, and improve your overall health. Understanding visceral fat. Visceral fat is the fat surrounding your internal organs like the stomach, intestines, pancreas, and liver. Excess visceral fat can lead to serious health issues such as metabolic syndrome, diabetes, high blood pressure, weakened immune system, skin conditions, fatigue, and clogged arteries. The primary culprit? Too many calories, especially from sugars. Sugar and fat storage. When we consume too much sugar, it gets stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Any excess sugar turns into fat and gets stored in adipose tissue. When this storage exceeds capacity, it leads to a fatty liver. Most non-alcoholic fatty liver disease results from too much sugar. Hormonal balance over calories. Weight gain is more about hormonal imbalances than just calories in and out. Keeping insulin levels low is crucial for weight management. While exercise helps, certain foods, herbs, and spices can also boost metabolism and satiety. Healthy fats, olive oil. First up, extra virgin olive oil. It's packed with healthy fats that your body needs for various functions. Olive oil is satiating, heals the body, and can increase metabolic rate by slowing down digestion. Countries like Greece and Italy, where olive oil is a staple, have the lowest rates of cardiovascular disease. Apple cider vinegar. Next, apple cider vinegar. Its acetic acid helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes and promoting better glucose assimilation. This makes it particularly beneficial for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Hydration and potassium. For those dealing with bloating, increase your intake of potassium-rich foods like avocados and bananas. These help balance sodium levels and reduce bloating. Drinking plenty of water is also crucial as it acts as a natural diuretic. Gut health and fiber. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is vital. Excessive sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, inflammation, and gut problems. Foods high in soluble fiber, like chia seeds, can lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and support a healthy microbiome by feeding probiotics. Spices and metabolism. Spices like cinnamon and cayenne pepper can regulate blood sugar levels and boost metabolism. Cinnamon helps stabilize insulin levels, while capsaicin in cayenne pepper increases metabolic rate. Lemons and limes. Lemons and limes are excellent cleansers for the liver and digestive system. Drinking lemon or lime water before meals can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and provide essential enzymes. Processed foods and enzymes. Avoid processed foods as they lack necessary enzymes and fiber. Eating whole foods ensures you get the enzymes needed for proper digestion and nutrient assimilation. Healthy eating habits. Incorporate small but effective changes like using smaller plates, eating more fiber, and drinking water before meals. These habits can help you eat less and feel fuller. Enzyme supplements. As we age, our enzyme production decreases. Taking enzyme supplements can aid digestion, especially if you consume a lot of processed foods. Cleansing the liver. For those with high cholesterol or fatty liver, cleanse your liver with foods like milk thistle and lemons. A healthy liver is crucial for managing cholesterol levels effectively. Implementing these simple changes can significantly improve your health. Stay tuned for more tips and information. Take care and stay healthy! Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's stay healthy together.